Hi friends, welcome to classes by Lab Doctor. In today's class, let us start with a new vitamin, that is vitamin E. In the previous videos, we have dealt in detail about vitamin D metabolism, the causes of low vitamin D, symptoms of low vitamin D, how do we treat low vitamin D, etc. So today, let us start with this vitamin E. So you all know vitamins are classified as fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K, and the water soluble vitamins, they are divided as B complex and non-B complex. So non-B complex includes vitamin C, and B complex are your hematopoietic and energy releasing. Hematopoietic is your vitamin B12 and folic acid, vitamin B9, and your energy releasing are your thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, B1, B2, B3. So this is how we classify the vitamins. So vitamin E is another fat soluble vitamin. So the difference, what is the difference between a fat soluble and a water soluble vitamin? As the name says, this fat soluble vitamin is soluble or it dissolves in fats and oils. This water soluble vitamins, they are soluble in water. So fat soluble vitamins are stored in the fatty tissues, especially in the liver also. These fat soluble vitamins are stored. So the deficiency of them occurs very late. Whereas water soluble vitamins, you will see that they are not stored in the body, and if it is excess, it is excreted in the urine. So the daily requirement of this fat soluble vitamin, as I have told, because it is stored, it is not needed daily due to this storage. Whereas this becomes a water soluble vitamin and it is excreted if it is excess, we regularly require this water soluble vitamin. The examples would be A, D, E, K for fat soluble vitamins, and the B complex vitamins I have already told you. So the absorption of this fat soluble vitamins, it happens with the dietary fats. Okay, so suppose if you are taking more than what it is there, and because it is already stored, then it can lead to hypertoxicity. This vitamin A, D, E, K, they are very important in bone health. They are antioxidants, they help in clotting, etc. And these are much more heat stable. Okay, and their deficiency develops slowly. Whereas your B complex vitamins, because they are water soluble, they are directly absorbed into the bloodstream, and the risk of toxicity of this B complex is usually low because they are regularly excreted from the urine, and they help in our RBC health and also our energy metabolism, immune support, skin health, etc. This water soluble vitamin, they are not that stable, so they can be destroyed when we heat it, or when we prolonged cooking can destroy it. And because excess is not stored in the body, the deficiency of these water soluble vitamins can develop very quickly. So now vitamin E, which is a fat soluble vitamin, it is an antioxidant. Okay, the main function, remember, vitamin E is an antioxidant. So whatever function vitamin E has, it's mainly because of this antioxidant property. Okay, so what is this antioxidation property? Wherever जब भी हमारे शरीर में ये फ्री रेडिकल्स जो डेवलप होते हैं, फ्री रेडिकल्स को निकालते हैं, क्योंकि ये फ्री रेडिकल्स सेल मेम्ब्रेन को डैमेज करते हैं, हमारे बॉडी को डैमेज करते हैं. सो ये जो विटामिन है, ये वो फ्री रेडिकल्स को मारता है. So that is why this is a very potent antioxidant vitamin. Okay, so these antioxidants, what are there now? They not only vitamin E, you have vitamin C, vitamin A, selenium, all these also act as an antioxidants. And antioxidation jo property hai, it is very important. There are many cells in the body which are damaged because of these free radicals. So this vitamin E acts as an antioxidant because of this OH, what it has. Because of this chemical nature, it is able to behave as an antioxidant. ये accept करता है या donate करता है ये radical electrons को to prevent oxidative damage to the membrane lipids and other membrane components. So vitamin E family, when we say of vitamin E, it comes in 8 forms. Okay, one is tocoretinols and tocopherol. So it has alpha, beta, gamma, delta tocoretinols and alpha, beta, gamma, delta tocopherols. But this alpha tocopherol, what is there? That is the only form that meets your body's need, or that is the most important form, alpha tocopherol. Okay, but there are 8 forms in the vitamin E family. I've told you the function of vitamin E is mainly it is an antioxidant, so it will prevent your cell damage, okay, from the free radical. So अगर ये free radical है तो ये जाके इसको stabilize कर देता है, तो ये cell damage को prevent करता है. When it prevents the cell damage, what it will do, it will maintain the membrane stability. So it will see that the cell membranes are stable, so the membranes are not disrupted, there is no hemolysis, it keeps the nerves and the red cell healthy, it will prevent the blood from clotting, it keeps the normal function of the brain, it supports our immune system. So these will be the main functions of this vitamin E. Because I have told you that it is an antioxidant, it is like a bodyguard. ओके ये बॉडीगार्ड की तरह फंक्शन करता है एंड हमारे मेम्ब्रेन्स को डैमेज से बचाता है. ये जो फ्री रेडिकल्स रहते हैं वो अनस्टेबल रहते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट दे विल डू, जब हमारा नॉर्मल, व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ नॉर्मल मेटाबॉलिज्म गोइंग ऑन इन आवर बॉडी, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली दिस फ्री रेडिकल्स आर फॉर्म्ड. ओके, व्हेन वी आर एक्सपोज्ड टू सर्टेन एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर, सिगरेट स्मोक हो, एयर पोल्यूशन, जब भी हम अपने बॉडी को एक्सपोज करते हैं, दिस फ्री रेडिकल्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो ये फ्री रेडिकल्स को दिस vitamin E is going to neutralize them, okay, and it will prevent the irreparable damage of the cell function. So here you can see the cell membrane. It is made up of lipids, it is made up of proteins, it is having hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends. So when this cell membrane damage is prevented, the cells are made stable, so it will prevent this cell membrane damage because of this antioxidation property, and because of which the cell membrane stability is maintained. So it will prevent the lipid peroxidation. And that is why, suppose if it is vitamin E is deficient, the cell membranes are damaged, that is why patient will have anemia, patient will have muscle weakness, because the free radicals can damage even the DNA, they will cause certain cancers, there is immune impairment, your hair loss can be there, it maintains the rods and cones stability, so there you can have blindness, it can produce dry skin, it can cause fertility problems also, because it is also involved in your coenzyme Q functions. So vitamin E, alpha tocopherol or tocoretinol, it is mainly having this antioxidant function. So this is the function of vitamin E, because it will stabilize the cells, because it is able to neutralize the free radicals. Okay, it also protects the cell. I have told you, it prevents the lipid peroxidation. So for the cell protection it is required. It is helping in enzyme regeneration. Some of the enzymes, to regenerate them, example like glutathione etc. अगर उनको regenerate करना है for them, for that it will help. It also promotes collagen formation and maintenance. That is why you will see so many skincare products will have this vitamin E as their main ingredient. So because of all this antioxidant function, cellular protection, enzyme regeneration, impact on collagen etc., it is used in many diseases, like to treat your dysmenorrhea, to treat your non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, to reduce the risk of heart disease, in cognitive health, to promote lung function. We put this vitamin E. So there are many benefits of this vitamin E. It prevents cancer, treats eye disorder, lowers the heart disease risk, it improves the cognitive function, it will boost the immunity. So remember, vitamin E is a very important fat soluble vitamin. The main function of this is antioxidation. It is also an anti-inflammatory vitamin. It helps or it reduces the aging. So in many of the skincare products, anti-aging products, you will see vitamin E. vitamin E capsules जो आप देखते हो, जो green color के capsules है, हर skincare product में वो रहता है. It is an anti-aging product also. It enhances the health of the skin, your nails, your hair. That is why all these hair products, your skincare products will have this vitamin E. It will help in the skeletal muscle development also. It will improve your immunity also. It will improve your cell mediated immunity also. So these are all the functions of vitamin E. So in the next class, we will see what are the symptoms which can come when the patient is deficient in vitamin E. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.